Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very quick video. It's going to be the first update of the prepped versus unprepped test. I was planning on making it every 4 weeks, but I've been out driving, I've been on the motorway, the weather's not been nice, the car's a bit dirty, so I want to get it cleaned just for myself, so I may as well film it, and we'll do a quick update on how the unprepped versus the prepped side is doing. What I'm going to do is, throughout each wash, I'm only going to use the same products. So I'm going to use the KDN Snow foam, which is a pH neutral foam, and the Garage Therapy 1 car shampoo. Actually super excited because this is the first time that I'm going to have used the Garage Therapy car shampoo, so I've seen a lot of good reviews about it, so I'm excited to see how it is for myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the car a rinse down first, because I want to see how the dirt comes off, if it's bonded to any of the panels, stuff like that, just for each of the different products that I've used. I'm going to then hit it with the snow foam, let it dwell for five minutes or so, rinse that off, 2 bucket safe wash, get rid of that, rinse all that off, and then I'm going to dry it with the air dryer. So I want to inflict as little contact as possible on the actual paintwork of the car, just to give all the products that I've put on the best chance for durability, because this is essentially a durability test. So nothing else to do, let's get to it. Car is mostly dry around about the panels that we want it to be anyway, so we'll be able to start hitting these panels with some water. Okay, so let's have a very quick discussion about what we've seen there in terms of the fully prepared side versus the unprepared side of the car. Now if we break it down into the individual products that we used, the first one was the Infinity Wax Graphene at the top of the bonnet. Now I'm actually going to need to discount the Infinity Wax Graphene out of this test, because I felt that both sides were starting to fail after only 2 weeks. So I got in contact with the guys over at Infinity Wax, sent them a picture of the bottle, which looks like this. As you can see, there is a lot of deposit of the graphene on the bottle. And this was from the first batch that they've done, and they're going to send me out a new bottle of the graphene, so the graphene quick detailer. So I'm going to discount that from further tests, because they've indicated to me that the product itself may have failed. In terms of the 303 graphene down at the bottom, I didn't see much difference yet, both still going strong. The next was the 2 front wings, which was the PTFE wax from Squid Ink. I felt that there was not a significant difference, but I felt that there was a difference between the prepared side and the unprepared side in terms of this wax. Now in terms of the Squid Ink Aquafoam wax, you're supposed to apply 2 layers. I didn't get that opportunity because you're supposed to do it 12 hours apart. When I went out to apply, or when I had the chance to apply the second layer, it was a good day later because it rained the next day after the first application, so I never got a chance to apply the second layer. And the claimed durability is 2 to 3 months. On the prepared side, I still think I'll get that 2 to 3 months. On the unprepared side, maybe not, but that's only with one application, so bear that in mind going forward. Next up was the front of the doors. That was the ODK pyramid wax. Both sides, prepared and unprepared, still going strong. Then it was the Squid Ink Tanzanite wax, which was the fully synthetic wax. Again, both sides still going strong. Moving on to the rear quarter panel was the Infinity Wax, Synergy Ceramic. Again, I felt comparatively both sides were showing similar water behaviour. And then finally was the Blackbeard ceramic detailer, and again I felt both sides, that's not even the last one, but I felt both sides were doing similar water behaviour. Now the very last product was the G-On wet coat, which was used on the boot lid, and again very similar water behaviour. So at this early stage, all I can say is that the Infinity Wax graphene is on the way out, but we think we found the cause of that, and the PTFE wax on the front wings, the non-prepared side has a slight difference in water behaviour compared to the fully prepared side. So the next wash will be at the 1 month mark. So at the time of watching this video, it will probably be about a week away. So stay tuned for that one. The video hopefully will be out in the next couple of weeks, and we'll see where we are with that one. So thank you, stay safe, we'll see you on the next one.